how to find favorites on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, today I'll teach you how to find your favorite contacts, your favorite websites, and favorite photos on iPhone. So, to access your favorite contacts, you'll need to go to your phone app and then you'll see the favorite section on the bottom left. If you tap on it, you will see all the contacts that you have set to favorites, allowing you quick calls, messages, or FaceTime. Then now to view your favorite websites, come back, go to Safari, and then you'll see a bookmark icon. So tap on the bookmark icon, and then you can see the favorite section right there. Tap on it, and you'll find all your favorite websites. And then now if you need to find your favorite photos, then go to your gallery and then under utilities, you'll find the favorites album section, which contains pictures marked with the heart icon. And that's it. This is how you find your favorites on iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.